Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Encyclopedia. In previous episode we told you about Paleolithic Age. Today our episode will be about Mesolithic Age. So, let's get started. The Mesolithic and other stone industries of 9000 BC represents a further contribution of the developmental process of the Paleolithic Age. Changes in climate which became warm and rainy resulted in changes in flora and fauna. The hunter-gatherer communities spread rapidly over India. Mesolithic Age is considered from 8000 BC to 4000 BC. It was a transitional age or phase between the Paleolithic and Neolithic Age and is also referred to as Late Stone Age or Microlithic Age. This age reflects a more specialized and efficient food collection as well, which led to the beginning of plant cultivation or the introduction of agriculture. Domestication of animals have been witnessed from Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Men were still savage, but pottery making in Tilwara, Uttarakhand, and permanent habitation were in existence. Now take a look on the tools used in this age. Tools of this age called microliths, which were more pointed and sharp. Microliths or tools were very small in size and length, varying from 1 cm to 8 cm. The microliths were first discovered by Carlyle in 1867 from Vindhya rock shelters. Important tools of this age were back blade, cause points, triangles, linates, trapezes, including earlier used tools such as scrapers, burins, choppers. Now we will talk about the other aspects of the Mesolithic Age. Pottery is absent at most Mesolithic sites, but it is present at Langnaj in Gujarat and in the Kaimur region of Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. The last phase of this age saw the beginning of plant cultivation. The Mesolithic era initiated rock art in prehistory. In 1867, the first rock paintings in India were discovered at Sovgi Ghat, Kaimur Hills, Uttar Pradesh. Now, over 150 Mesolithic rock art sites have been discovered across India, with rich concentration in central India such as the Bhimbetka caves, Kharwar, Jora, and Kathotia in Madhya Pradesh, Sundargarh and Sambalpur in Orissa, Guha in Kerala. Animals dominate the scenes at most Mesolithic rock art sites. However, no snakes are depicted in Mesolithic paintings. There is a rich concentration of microlithic sites in the Narmada, Mahi and Sabarmati Valley of Gujarat. Bagor in Rajasthan on river Kothari is one of the largest and best documented Mesolithic sites in India. Admgarh in Madhya Pradesh and Bagor in Rajasthan provide the earliest evidence for the domestication of animals. In Mahadah, Uttar Pradesh, bone artifacts were founded, including arrowheads and bone ornaments. The primary excavated site is Langnaj, which has revealed 3 cultural phases. The phase 1 was showing the production of microliths, burials and animal bones. Pottery appears in later phases at the sites of Lekhahir and Baghai Khor. Our today's episode is over. We hope you have gained a lot of information on Mesolithic period. In next episode, we will explain about the Neolithic Age.